When we open a new document in Affinity, by default, the background color comes in white. So how can we change it? Here are a couple of ways we can do it. If you want to change it to a transparent background, we can set it up when opening a new document. Click on File and click New. We'll find the setting here. Simply turn it on to open the document with a transparent background. But if we have already opened the document with a white background, we can still change it. Make sure the Move tool is selected, then click Document Setup right here on the context toolbar. Then we'll find the transparent background setting right here. Turn it on, and we're good to go. Let me undo this to get back to the white background. Now if we want to change the background color instead of making it transparent, there are a couple of ways we can do it. We can select the rectangle tool and draw a big rectangle covering the whole document. Then we can change the color, solid color, or gradient, anything we'd like. Or we can grab the fill tool and drag the gradient path directly on the rectangle. After that, you might want to lock the layer to prevent it from being selected and modified while working on the layout. Let me undo this. Now another way to change the background color is by going to the pixel menu right here at the top. Then select New Fill Layer. Then we can see a new fill layer is created. We can change the color, solid color or gradient. Or we can use the fill tool to set the gradient color. The good thing about using the fill layer is that we don't need to lock the layer since it's not selectable. Now let's undo this again and move to another way. We are going to use the Artboard tool. Usually, we use this tool to convert the existing page to an artboard and also to create new artboards. Once converted to an artboard, we can change the background color directly. So click on it, then on the context toolbar, we'll see the Insert Artboard button. When we click on it the first time, it won't add a new artboard yet, but it will convert the existing page to an artboard. If you click on it again, then it will add a new artboard. We are not going to use the new artboard, so let's undo this. Now after being converted to an artboard, we can select the Move tool, go to the context toolbar, and click here to change the color, solid color, gradient, anything you prefer. And that's pretty much it for changing the background color in Affinity. Hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.